Next, we'll be talking about connectors. Now, connectors are pretty self-explanatory. So for example, if you want Claude to check your email, you'll need to connect your Gmail account. If you want it to check your Google Calendar, you'll need to connect your Google Calendar. So in this part of the video, I'll walk you through how to set up connectors with Claude. Okay, so now let's go over some other important options like connectors, plugins, and a few other options. Now over here on the left side under customize, you're gonna see connectors. Now connectors essentially allow Claude to connect to different things like your Gmail, Slack, even Google Drive. If you wanna see a list of connectors, you'll click on the plus icon and click on browse connectors. And here's a few connectors. Now, just to give you an idea, what you can do here is you can link this up to your PayPal. You can ask it to check all of the invoices, receipts, or anything that you paid. You can also connect it to Stripe and ask it for monthly reports to analyze last month versus this month and so on and so forth. And obviously there's a lot of other cases. Now, just to give you a very basic generic example, I actually connected this to Gmail. So over here, you can connect this to Gmail. Now I've already done that. So right here, you'll see I connected to Gmail. Now what it can do here is it can actually browse your emails for you. So for example, I'll go ahead and go over here to the new chat. So check my Gmail. Did I get any upcoming bills this week? Or am I going to get any upcoming bills? It don't know what you're trying to say. Okay, and it looks like I have no bills coming up this week. It gave me a general overview saying that I had no bills. It gave me a bunch of newsletters and things and stuff like that. Nothing that looks like a bill, invoice, or payment reminder. So this is how you can connect it. Now, there is another thing that you can do, but I will probably save this for another video. Now, you might be wondering, well, that's cool, Daryl, but can this actually send emails on my behalf? Can it start doing things? And the answer is no and yes. So as of right now, it cannot, but if you install an MCP plugin, then you can get around that. So that's an example of what connectors are. Essentially, you can connect Claude onto any of these specific apps.